Hello ladies and gentlemen. Hello YouTube. I am Tater. This used to be my first car. It's now mine again. I found it and it was buried in the yard. Unburied it, brought it home. Wouldn't start, of course. Guy tried to tell me 6 months. License plate says a year and a half. So anyway, this is an 89 Volkswagen Jetta with a Defiant 2 engine in it. Now, first things first, she wouldn't start. As you can tell, it's tore apart pretty good right now. Anyway, I couldn't get electric down to this hall sensor at all. I also was getting no electric up here to the fuel rail, which of course is your injectors. And I was getting no fuel pump. So, my first thoughts were the fuel relay and stuff like that I didn't know about. I wasn't getting fuel there. So, I bought a relay. Still was getting no fuel. Which, if you guys don't know, fuel relay is the one over in the corner. Now, you could take the cover off that relay and force that pump. Pump would start, no problem. Pump gas. Obviously, the store part over there would work fine. Now, then I thought, okay, ignition control module, because everything goes up there through that. Which, I wasn't 100% right on that, but I thought I was. Gave it a tune-up anyway, new cap, new rotor, all that good stuff. While I was at it, checked all my electric wires, which now I have disconnected again. It ended up being the computer. Which I'll show you a photo of. Computer had a broken piece on it, which you could smell the motherboard after I got it tore apart. After I hooked it up, I got spark, fuel pump kicks on, everything works right. Now, I'll show you the final product. Been a couple months, but this is what we've got. So far, so good. Runs smooth. Doesn't sound broken whatsoever. No need to replace the engine. But I'm going to attempt to get her to pull herself forward and see if she'll do that. A lot of moisture coming out of her. But anyway, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos from all my other Volkswagens and other vehicles I will be working on.